Good day, kids. I brought the number worksheet today and I'm going to deal from number 1 to 5. We are going to do activities on the numbers. I've already uploaded the course book number video. I think you have already checked it out. If not, go check out. In that, I have dealt with how to write the number, how to count the number in detail. And today we are going to do the activities on those numbers. Okay, before going in, do subscribe the channel. Parents, check out these videos because they are part of the latest syllabus of 2021 academic year, and we are following the books, updated books with the latest syllabus. Alright, so let's go in and check out. The first activity here is, you can see the numbers on the left. Let me just quickly revise. It's 1 ONE, number 2 TWO, number 3 THREE, FOUR for 4, and FIVE 5. See, remember kids, writing the number is very simple. Counting is also simple, but at the same time, because we have come to LKG, the lower kindergarten, we have to remember the spelling of the number also. Once again, ONE1, TWO2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, and FIVE 5. All through this video we'll be dealing with 1 to 5 only. It's page by page, different kind of activities here, and check how we have to do it. Okay, now seeing the page, I see a picture with lot many animals and inside. Okay, let's see what is the question. Let me read out the question for you. Count how many and write in the boxes. Here we see the pictures. Question number A, B, C, D and E. This is the activity sheet where we have to count that particular picture, how many they are, and write the number in the boxes below. Okay, let's see. The first picture is the man. Yes or no? Man picture. Now it asks us to check out how many man pictures are there inside the scenery. Let's go see. There is only one man inside, correct? So what is the number that we should write? We have to write number 1 under the box of the man. Now the second picture is the dog. So let's count how many dogs are there. See, the second picture here is the dog. So we have to write the count in this box. So let's check out from the left. 1 dog. I'm going inside. 2 dog. 3 dog. 4 in the far away and 5 next to it. So total how many dogs did we count? It is 5 dogs. Let us write 5 in the box below the dog. This is the activity sheet. We are counting the pictures and then writing its count in the box. The next picture is the rabbit. So let's start counting the rabbits here. From the left, 1 rabbit, 2 rabbit, and little far away there is a 3 rabbit. So how many rabbits are there in this picture? We have 3 rabbits. Very good. Next picture is the parrot bird. Yes or no? Parrot bird. How many parrots are there? From the left we'll start counting. It is 1 parrot, and then I can see another here. So it is 2 parrot, and can you see any more in the sky, on the tree? No, I can see only 2 parrots. So I need to write number 2 in the box below the parrot picture. And what is the last picture? It is the cat, CAT, cat. So start counting from the left. I see 1 cat, and then 2 cat, 3 cat, and 4 cats. How many cats are there? Number 4. Nicely observe the picture, check out each and every question, and then write the number. Here what did we do? We have written the count of the pictures. Next. Now here, question is, count how many and write the number in the circle. Can you see the circles on the right? On the left They are the questions, and we have to start counting and write the number. First picture is the giraffe picture. So let's see how many giraffes are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many giraffes are there? There are 4 giraffes. So write number 4 in the circle next to giraffe. See how nice and neat it is. Next question. It is the horses. How many horses are there? 1 horse and 2 horse. Simple. Only 2 horses here. So I'm going to write number 2 in the circle next to the horse. Next, third picture is the cars. Let me see how many cars are there. 1 car, 2 car, 3 car, 4 car and 5 cars. Okay, it's 5 cars. So we have to write what number? Number 5. Okay, number 5 in the next to the circle near the cars. Next picture is the dinosaur. Oh my god, dinosaur. How many dinosaurs are here? There is only 1 dinosaur. Let me see. We have to write number 1 next to the circle near the dinosaur. Next picture. What is the picture? It is the dolphins. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. How many dolphins are there? 1 dolphin, 2 dolphin, 3 dolphin. How many dolphins are there? There are 3. Now write the number 3 in the circle. Kids, this is how you have to do the activity sheets. Read the question out first and then slowly one by one complete the sheet. Now this sheet is over. I'm moving on to the next. Here, what is the question here? It says count and circle the correct number. Here what did they do? They have given a nice picture and we have to count them, and here we are not going to write the number. What should we do? We have to circle the numbers here. So how many flowers are there? 1 flower, 2 flower and 3 flowers. So what should I do? I have to circle the number 3 there. See, this is another type of activity where we are not going to write the number, but we have to select the number and circle it. Okay, next question is the monkey question. How many monkeys do you see, kids? I see only 1 monkey. So I have to circle number 1. Good. Now, next question is the bird question. How many birds do you see? Let me start counting. 1 bird, 2 bird, 3 bird, 4 bird and 5 birds. So how many birds are there? There are 5 birds. I'm going to circle number 5. Very good. Next is the tree question. How many trees are there? 1 tree, 2 trees. So simple. It's only 2 trees. So we are going to circle what number? Number 2. Next, how many horses or giraffes are there here? They are 1 giraffe, 2 giraffe, 3 giraffe and 4 giraffe. So it's number 4 here. Have circled number 4. See, this simple it is. Doing the activity work, ask the parents. You can just give some few things or small shapes also here. It need not be animals. You can just give some shapes on a white paper and ask them to do the activity. It's so simple. This is the way they can identify the number and at the same time they can count it and write it properly. This is so simple activities. These are the sheets from the actual updated books. So I am sharing it with you so that you can do similar activities at home for them to learn numbers more easily. Next, moving on, what do I have here? It is the matching activity. We have to count the pictures on the left and also count the pictures on the right and then match if they both the counts are the same. For example, we have owls here on the first line. Owls, how many owls are there? 1 owl, 2 owl and 3 owl. On the right, how many 3 number is there? So the pictures on the right should count number 3. Here they have given example. It's showing the roses. Roses are 3 in count here. So the owls are matched with the roses. Like that we have to do the next part. Next, after owls, I can see camels here. Let me see. 1 camel, 2 camel. Yes or no? On the right, how many 2s are there? Wow, I see horses in 2. 2 horses. Let me draw the line from the camel to where? To the horse, because there are 2 camels and 2 horses. So the number is matching here. The next one is the giraffe. Let me count the giraffes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 giraffes are there. So on the right I should have 4 in count. What can I see? What can I see? I see the mouses in 4 here. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what should I do? I have to draw the line from the giraffe to the mouse. Here we are matching the count, not the pictures. Next is the tiger's picture. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Count nicely. It is 5 tigers and they match to 5 ice creams. Let me draw the line from 5 tigers to 5 ice creams. This is how simple we are matching the count here. And finally, what is left out? The ass and the dinosaur. They are single, so we can nicely identify and draw the line from the donkey or the ass to the dinosaur. Next, moving on to the next activity. What do we have here? This is also matching activity. So let's count the pictures on the left, but on the right, what do you see, kids? I see the numbers. Okay, let me show you how many. First picture is the pencil picture. So how many are there? Let me quick count. 1, 2 and 3. So it is 3 pencils, and what should I do? I should match to the number 3. Here on the right side we have numbers, so we have to match the pictures to the numbers. How do I match? I draw a line nicely from the pencil to number 3. The next one is the penguin. It's only 1 in count, so I'm going to draw the line from the penguin to the number 1. Very nice. Next one is the tigers. Let me quick count how many tigers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to draw the line from the tigers to where? To number 5. Good. The next one is the horses. I can see 2 horses, so nicely I am drawing the line from the horses to number 2. The last one, here we can count or we can directly draw the line because there is only 1 question left out, but I'll count it and we'll go ahead. It's the giraffes. 1 giraffe, 2 giraffe, 3 giraffe and 4 giraffes. So 4 giraffes to number 4. This simple, kids, it's very simple. It's only matching and counting. Keep practicing at home. All right, it's very simple. You can count any number. It's very good for your counting practice. Next, here I have to explain. It's number line. I'm going to introduce you the number line here. Let's see. We can see a line and at the same time the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here, from where to where your counting is more important in the number line. The number line shows ascending order. That is, we start from 1, we go to 2, 3, 4 and then 5. How does the number line work? It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's how the numbers are. We have to go in an order. The number line shows the order of numbers. The next question is, write the missing numbers. There is a big lorry of containers, and in the container we have first container marked with number 1, and then the other containers are empty but it ends with number 5. So what should we do here? We have to fill the empty boxes with our numbers. So starting from 1, tell me the numbers. It is 2 and then it is 3, and then it is 4. We are just writing the numbers. It's an activity for simply missing. Fill in the blanks. That's all. In the blanks, why we are writing 2, 3 and 4? Because we start with 1 in the number line, write 2, 3 and 4 and end up with number 5. Here in this video particularly, we are dealing with only 5 numbers. Okay. Next, is it clear? Number line is the new thing that I introduced here. It is 1 to 5 in order. Moving on to the next activity, it is, wow, it's again counting, but it's in a very different way. We always count our numbers in fingers, yes or no? See, put your finger similar to the one in the picture here. See this picture. What did he do? He put only 3 fingers up and folded the other 2 fingers. So how many fingers are there showing? It is 1, 2 and 3. The fingers out are the counted fingers. So we are counting them. 3 fingers are open. So we have to write the number 3 in the filling, in the box below. So it's number 3. Now the next picture shows, open your palm and show all the fingers. How many fingers are there in each palm for us? It is number 5. And I'm writing 5 in the box. So simple, right kids? You can even count with your fingers. It's only for your practice. The next one is, they have drawn some pictures here. Look at the picture and find the hidden number in the picture. That means the picture is hiding the number. You have to search it out. I'll make the first one easy for you. It is nothing but number 1. So I'm writing number 1 in the box. It's so simple. It's only 1. It's an animal that is showing number 1. From 2, you have to start guessing. What is the swan showing? Hiding. Correct. It's hiding number 2. So I'm going to write number 2 under the swan. Next, it's the monkey. Monkey. What is the monkey hiding? It's hiding number 4. Is it clear, kids? Can you see number 4 here? The legs and the hands show number 4. Next, it's very, very clear. It's an animal, but it's hiding number 3. Isn't it fun, kids? The animals are hiding your numbers and you are searching it out. It's a small, cute activity that's helping you out. Remember the numbers and search it out. Very nice. Next, see the example here. We have to cross the number of pictures seeing the number on the left. That means you have to count how much number is given on the left and start crossing the so many pictures. Okay, let me show you. First, what should you do? You have to cross 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like that you have to count and cross. Similarly, 2 in the third line. What is it? 2. You have to cross 2 roses. 1 rose, 2 rows. Isn't it simple, kids? We are just counting and crossing the picture. There is 4 now. 4 ice creams. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am crossing 4 ice creams. Okay, this is another kind of activity which also teaches you counting. Parents, isn't it fun? These activities will help the kids a lot when they are doing them practically. So I would suggest give them some similar sheets, and you need not draw the pictures with your hand. You can just give them different kind of shapes. You can just draw triangles. You can draw squares. You can even stick small stickers which are circular in shape. You can stick them on the paper and ask them to count. This is the practices that we do to improve their counting skills and at the same time their identification skills. They have to remember the number and search it out from the pictures. These are the simple activities that are given in the books as per the syllabus. You can improvise it with more varieties of activities. I would appreciate if you give the kids different activities when they are bored out. Alright, kids, until then, stay home, stay safe, do these activities, practice it more and more at home. Until then, I'll bring more and more videos on the latest syllabus, and do follow the videos. Keep watching. Talk to you soon.